Hello family, warmest welcome back to the La Vista channel, and if this happens to be your first time stopping by, I say a big welcome to you as well. Well family, this week happens to be the midsummer week here in Sweden. It's just the holiday around the mid of summer that they just want to celebrate because it's so cold here. So when they are blessed with a bit of sun, they have to celebrate it, and it's amazing. Everyone is always happy here. So I thought of sharing some of my favorite Swedish meals, and I hope you like it. This is called laxpudding. Yes, do not let the name scare you at all. I know it is just salmon and potatoes and some creamy sauce mixed together, and I know this is so delicious. You're gonna love it. So please stay tuned while I walk you through this amazing recipe. All right. So first we will need some salmon and some cooked potatoes. Yes, these are cooked, okay? And some onions. I sliced one big onion and one shallot. And here I also have some dill and one lemon. And yes, these are just a few ingredients that you need. And here so with this dish you will need some white sauce, which is made of egg, and some sour cream and milk, some black pepper and salt. All right, if you are watching this and you happen to be in Italy, sour cream is the same as acido panna, so use that. And to start with, I fry my onion for 5 minutes and season with some salt and black pepper. I also went ahead to chop all my cooked potatoes and slice it in circles like so. You want to use cooked potatoes because it doesn't take too much time for the salmon to be baked, and you also want your potatoes to be very soft, so you go ahead and cook it before you slice it. Okay, go ahead and squeeze some lemon on my salmon to, you know, reduce the fishy smell of the salmon. We do not need a skin, so just take your time and pull the skin off because you do not need it in this recipe. All right, it is really very easy. You just take it off and it comes off easily with your hand. And yes, after that you go ahead and slice your salmon as well in bits like these, and yes, you are ready to go. It is that easy. I really love this recipe because it doesn't really take that time, and if you know Swedes, they do not play with their salmon. I feel like Swedes are the fancy version of Ghanaians. They love fish, everything, you know, shrimp. They do not play with their seafood at all. So yes, I go ahead also to prepare my egg and sour cream mixture. So I go ahead to crack all my 3 eggs and then add about 1.5 cups of whole milk, and I also add 2 tablespoons of my sour cream, yes, and a handful of dill. This actually has to be in every salmon dish because it brings out this flavor really great, and also it brings the aroma that the salmon needs, and it's just awesome. So I add about 1 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoonful of black pepper and garlic powder as well, and then I mix it all up together. Yes, and you are almost done. So in your oven pan you spread some butter. You know, potatoes and butter are very good friends. They go so well together. So you start off by laying all your potatoes at the bottom of your pan. Make sure it is well arranged. Okay, so after that you lay some of your onions, the onions that we fried earlier. You lay it on, and then there comes your salmon. So it's going to be like layers of amazing flavors. So it's supposed to be like first layer potatoes, your onions. This you can also add some spinach if you want, or even carrots or any other veggies. You can apply it there. So you first potatoes, and then comes your veggies, and then your salmon, and then you spread some of the egg and sour cream mixture. Now this is absolutely gorgeous dish. And when you're done, you just go ahead and put more of the onions and the leftover of your potatoes on top again. And then for the last time, you spread your remaining mixture as well. I mean, thumbs up to the Swedes for such an epic rendition of salmon and potatoes. You can never go wrong, and I think you will absolutely love this dish. It's so amazing and very mouth-watering as well. Always a great idea to try different dish. And let me tell you, if you have guests over and you make them this dish, I think they're going to remember you for the longest. It is so good. You just have to try this. After you finish laying and spreading all your sauce and everything, you garnish it with some dill, and it is all ready to go to the oven. And the oven should be around 160 degrees for 40 minutes. And yes, after you are done with this amazing, gorgeous dish, now tell me, is that looking gorgeous or what? This is an absolute must try dish. So after you've taken it from the oven, please allow it to cool down before you serve. You do not want to burn your mouth. I know it's delicious and it's looking delicious, but please allow it to cool down before you serve. And yes, amazing stuff. We just had it with some salad, and if you have shito at home, you can go ahead and also serve it with some shito the African way, of course. Why not? So yes, thank you so much, family, for watching. And if you did enjoy this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and try it and let me know how yours went, okay? And if you're watching me from Sweden, make sure you celebrate your midsummer weekend with this amazing dish. You're gonna love it so much. Thank you once again for watching, and if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye.